Good morning, everyone. I am just finishing up my morning classes. I taught a really sweet girl. I've taught a few times again today. She loves foxes, which is awesome because my niece also likes foxes, and everything my niece gives me, like this for Valentine's Day, is of a fox. So it's pretty easy to find props for her. I also taught another new girl, and yeah, it went well. And I am now drinking my coffee, getting ready for the day. I usually take a nap after classes, but today I'm so excited because I am embarking on my first road trip.
Alright,
So let's go.
My name board, which is also a handy little whiteboard, and don't forget your pen. My sister gave me this little nifty school days. It's like a little play school thing. It has these little pockets so I can throw my pen in here, and it has a little clock attached to it, which is really handy for when I'm teaching time. And I did have a calendar just somewhere in my room that goes right here too, but I won't be teaching on that tomorrow, so I won't worry about it. And I have this is that tripod that I use this light for my class and also for videos, and it has a little hook here for your cell phone. So yeah, and I am almost ready to go. Never mind, I found it. Here is that little calendar, and I cannot forget my little nifty remote for when I'm making videos. This came with this little tripod. And I also love this whiteboard because it is also a soccer field. So if I have some new kids I'm teaching, I can also use this to talk about positions. And last but not least, Dino. I almost forgot him. I'm teaching mainly older kids tomorrow, so I may not even need him, but just feel bad leaving him behind. So he is coming, and my Ethernet cord, just in case my internet's not good and I need to connect. So yeah, that's it. Let's do this. Oh yes, so I think I'll take a few small props after all, and my alarm clock. That's important. All right, we are ready. As you can see, I have my bags, and I have my foam roller. That's always important on a road trip. And I got me some healthy snacks, and can't forget pão de queijo for my friend. And I'm not exactly the lightest packer, but it is winter, and I am Brazilian, so there's that. Aw, little sign
Give
for
your
me.
sign, yes.
Aw, you're awesome.
Hi, you soon.
Are you cute? He doesn't like it.
Camera action. I'm Sherri.
My friend Sherri.
Hi.
This is baby Luca.
And baby Luca's here.
Hi.
Say hi. Luca, say hi. 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 There you go.
Ooh, and what are we making?
We are making Thai cashew chicken. And it's
Awesome.
one of our family's favorite dishes. And whenever I have friends in town, I love to make it for them, like Esther, my awesome friend.
Aw.
So it's so yummy. It's got a crispy texture and also the sweet and savory sauce. And we are making kale chips to go with it because my kids love that.
Very cool.
And everyone loves that. So yeah, it's going to be fun. So right now we're just frying it. And as you can hear, it's sizzling.
Ooh.
And such a fun.
All those fancy sauces.
All the oyster sauce. And this is Thai thin soy sauce. And we're using cornstarch to put on the chicken instead of flour. So normally in Thailand they use the cornstarch. And which is cool because my friends who are gluten-free can eat it too.
Nice.
So that's fun.
So are most Thai dishes gluten-free?
Actually, most are, just without them even trying, they're gluten-free. So, yeah, like I have some students coming this weekend to my cooking class, and they're gluten-free, and I was like, oh, I don't have to change the menu, because it's already gluten-free. So that's a nice thing about Thai food. And I'm just trying to get a golden color.
Okay.
It takes a little while. This is the first batch. So usually it takes a little bit of time to get that golden color.
And what kind of oil are you using?
So I'm using a peanut oil to fry it in. So it's more of a deeper fry than a stir fry. So you don't have to do that for cashew chicken, but we like to because it just makes it more crispy than if you're at an Asian restaurant, often they'll fry the chicken like this. Which is that crunchy texture, and which is why most people love like that kind of chicken at Asian restaurants. So, but the Thai cashew chicken is my favorite. So,
Aw, so excited.
yeah, I'm excited for you to try it.
Okay.
You're welcome. I love how it has all these colors in it.
Wow, it's
Which
beautiful.
is just
It's a finished product.
How pretty it looks at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
It's
so
really
all
good.
done, and all the sauces in there.
Goody that.
And yeah, it's ready to go.
Awesome.
Yay!
All these little chefs to be. All right, let's eat. All right, I just finished teaching my 2 classes, did my feedback, about to have breakfast, just enjoying this beautiful view. Light right there. Then I just brought my backdrop dyno, and you can see beautiful view of the mountains. It's gonna be a nice day. Aw, Sherri also made me this beautiful gift basket, and I love her pillows. So this is where I stayed. It's a ginormous room. Hi.
Hi.
So this is my dear friend Sherri, and her beautiful family. There are a few of them, missing a couple, but I wanted to ask her more about her Airbnb business with teaching Thai cooking. How did you come to love Thai cooking? And
Yeah, so I when I went to UNC Chapel Hill, I met a Thai friend there, and she introduced me to Thai food. And so I had it for the first time with her, and I immediately fell head over heels in love with the Thai food. I loved all the flavors and how fresh all the food was.
Is it gonna have me in it?
Yeah. And then, so I chose to go to Thailand so I could eat Thai food all the time because I love Thai food. So while I was there, I was hanging out with one of my friends, and she said, I have a friend, he's into foreign girls. Do you want to meet him? And I was like, no, that's sketchy. I don't want to meet him. And then one day, though, we were at church together, and she was like, remember that guy I told you about? That's him over there. And I was like, oh, he's cute. Sure, I'll meet him. He's the first cute Thai guy that I've seen. So I'll meet him. So we met, and we quickly fell in love. And about a year and a half later, we got married in Thailand, in Bangkok, across the river from the Grand Palace. And it was so magical. And then a year later, we moved back to North Carolina, where I'm from. And when we moved here, I was like, wait a second, there's not cheap Thai food everywhere anymore. What are we going to do? So I decided, okay, I have to learn how to make everything. Because we love Thai food, we couldn't stop eating it. So my husband, his grandma taught me some stuff, and then he taught me what he knew, and then I just started to cook and research a lot different Thai chefs and their methods, and just kept cooking and cooking. And then I started a Thai cooking blog about 7 years ago called Thai-foodie.com, and I put my recipes on there, and then I started teaching Thai cooking classes. When we lived in Austin, I taught there at a cooking school, and it was really fun. And then we've moved to Boone now. And when we got to Boone, I was like, wait a second, there's no place to teach cooking classes here. It's a little mountain town, and there aren't any cooking schools. So I heard about Airbnb Experience, and I decided to just try to do that. So now I teach Thai cooking classes in my home once a week, and it's been really fun to meet travelers, and also locals have come a lot, and it's been so fun. Is that good?